Hey, today I'm going to show you a poster on how you can actually improve your deadlift in just a few minutes. Okay, I thought I'd go through this deadlifting graphic just to show you guys why I created this and how it can help you guys out with some of your clients, or at least if you guys are deadlifters, then you get to see some of these faults that we commonly have. So I'm going to make this part of a multiple part segment. Their poster is available for print as well if you guys do want it for your clinic. So first thing here I like to draw people's attention to with this graphic is the lines in the center. So we see this person right here. We have the straight line amongst the back. We want to have proper curvature of the back, as well as the shoulders will be in front of the bar. The bar will be just over the midsection of the foot. It's really common for people to leave the bar out front here, which then will increase the moment arm on the low back in this region here. So when you have people that have pain or low back conditions flare up with deadlifting, a lot of times it's because they're leaving this way out here, and I call it floating the bar. And although people will say that you shouldn't scrape your shins or scrape your body when you're bringing it up, I much rather have that than leaving the bar out front here. So this is the first thing I draw people's attention to first with it. Say, bring the bars against the shins. The bar will make a vertical path all the way upwards. I want to see the collar right here. If they have a shirt collar right here and they had a logo on it, if I was standing way on the other side of the room over here, I'd want to be able to see that shirt collar in my view. Okay, what this does is it decreases the possibility of them driving it to the ground here. Now, there is a possibility to overcompensate with extension or creating a curve right here in the back, which we actually don't want either. And this is really common with lifters, and I spoke with Dr. Richard Lum about this, where this is the extension compensation stabilization system, where basically we're not using the internal pressure here of the abdominal cavity to stabilize the torso as well. So that's a whole nother thing which I will go into in the future. Typically with deadlifting, we see the hips are higher than the knees, although there will be arguments that you can actually squat your deadlift as well. And that is a whole nother conversation as well. But for the setup, this is what I like to see. Engaging the shoulders, I like to see, one of the tips I got from Dan John was, if you have oranges underneath your armpits, you want to crush them and create orange juice, okay? Create pre-pull tension, stand straight up. And this is where I start people typically with the deadlift in the setup. Now in the coming videos, I'm going to go over lumbar rounding, hips rising too fast, leaning back at the top, and one of my personal favorites is tripoding the foot, which actually is a good thing, not a bad thing, as well as pre-pull tension, proper breathing, bar setup, and deadlifting versus squatting. So subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.